Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. It is still morning, and welcome to this new video on Ondo. Wanted to do a quick update on this. I mean, I hold quite a lot of Ondo, and someone requested it as well. All right, so that I would do an analysis on Ondo. So it took a couple of days, but here we are. We'll do a full update. I'll give you my thoughts on it right now. In general, Ondo long term, it's great, all right? I think Ondo right now is the best project in the whole RWA narrative. And we actually, look, first of all, the RWA narrative was very much still like a ghost narrative. We did not really see the effects of it going on and of its momentum. But now with BlackRock also doing some stuff in it and talking about it, I do think it's a real narrative. And I also do think the narrative has potential. I always thought the narrative had potential. But the thing is, and I think Ondo is part of that narrative, and it's one of the strongest performers. So at some point of time, once that narrative pops up again and it has momentum, Ondo will do great. However, if you look at it right now, purely technically, we're quite bearish. All right. So yeah, I mean, we do have to talk about that a little bit. We do have to do a full analysis. I was hoping, but I'm actually not sure. I was hoping that we can also get some statistics on Ondo. So yeah, total value locked is pretty good. I mean, we have $222 million in Ondo right now. I'm not sure if the legacy also adds up to that or that it's part of it. No, I think it's, no, that's the old one. But no, Ondo, the total value locked is doing great. So fundamentally, I think Ondo is great. And I also do think that we have a chance to recover here. But what is true, and that's we cannot go around that. What's true is that right now we are losing open interest like there's no tomorrow. So after that last peak we had up to 1.05, Ondo has been quite bearish. Like we're losing momentum, which is usually quite bearish. And then if you look at the technicals, we have there was this significant support level between, let's say 85, but it's really 83 cents. And then down here at like 80 cents. Very strong support level. And what we have done is we held 80 cents for a bit longer, but we dropped down below 85 cents. So that's bearish confirmation. Now we've also dropped down below 80 cents. So that's more bearish confirmation while the open interest is dropping. So purely technically, Ondo is actually quite bearish here. And we have to be honest about that because that's the truth. So I think it's most likely when the structure right now is bearish, it's most likely to just assume that we will be more bearish. All right, so that's what I expect. I expect Ondo to be more bearish. We'll do maybe some sort of a retest from 83 cents, but ultimately we'll drop down to the next support level at 70 cents. And if from that support level, the open interest keeps dropping down still, then we will also drop down lower towards this next support level right here at like 65 and 60 cents. So I am technically bearish on Ondo. Now, I wanted to save the best for last, and that is that I do think because of the strength of Ondo we've seen in the last well, months it is right now, because of the strength we've seen, because of the narrative behind it, and I think the fundamentals are great. I think at any point of time during this downtrend, short-term downtrend which we are in, I think at any point of time we do have the opportunity to recover. So if Bitcoin, for example, over the course of today becomes relatively strong, I think Ondo has a chance to break above 83 cents. And if we do, we're neutral again and we are no longer bearish. So that is a possibility. And that's also why I would not short Ondo. But if I would have to give you my most likely scenario right now, it would definitely be bearish. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.